Alright guys, this is the throttle body that we'll be installing today. 65 millimeter from, looks like it's from BBK. Got a pretty good deal on it. Waited about 3 months to get this, so we're gonna finally, today's the day. We're gonna have Never Slow install it for us. Before that, I wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit of what we're taking on. You guys can see we changed out distributor coil about a month ago. It does have a cold air intake. I forgot who it's through. I'm going to say it's one of the smaller companies. Went ahead and got some new wires put in. These are new spark plugs. I think we went with the MGK spark plugs, which have recently been installed. So it's definitely driving a little better. They wanted to kind of show, I think the throttle body will be the last thing that we need to put in here, kind of give it a good package. It's already been showing, good signs of a better acceleration and so forth. But today's the day we get our throttle body, so we're looking forward to it.